Okay, today I want to talk a little bit about CRD, also known as chronic respiratory disease. Okay, every chicken today has CRD. Okay, and what CRD does, it restricts the oxygen that go into the lungs that supply fuel in the blood. Okay, and fuel in the blood is what we call oxygen. If your rooster's not able to breathe properly because he has CRD in his lungs, he will not fight to his full potential because he will be lacking the needed oxygen that it takes for the bloodstream to put out the energy from the oxygen. Okay, so what is good for treatment for CRD in game fowl? And a good treatment is Baytril. Baytril is a good injectable antibiotic that you can give a rooster to help him clear up his air sacs in his lungs so that he gets better oxygen to his blood by clearing up the infection of the chronic respiratory disease. Okay, and how do you know when an animal has CRD? Well, a lot of times an animal will turn purple, you know, when he's showing in the pit, okay, because of lack of oxygen. Okay, another way to find out if your animal has CRD is to grab your animal and pinch the nostrils and block his oxygen level, and you'll see bubbles coming out around his eyes. Okay, bubbles is an indication that he has CRD in his system. So, you know, Baytril works within an hour or two after you inject it into your rooster. Okay, but you will still see the symptoms, but as the days go by, the symptoms will start to clear up. But the Baytril is very good for an animal that has CRD. This is just something I wanted to share with the beginners. You know, a lot of people fight their chickens, you know, in the pit, and they don't get the right amount of oxygen to be able to fight to their full potential because of the lack of oxygen in their system. So this is just something, like I said, I wanted to share with a lot of the beginners out there today. When you go to choose a selection for your pre-keep and even your keep, the best thing to do is take your Baytril and inject him with some Baytril. Normally about a half a cc will help the individual out. But like again, I said, Baytril is good for CRD. Y'all have a good day.